Okay, so today we are going to continue with the Charlie Chaplin website. So last time we create some like a wrap the whole box. We create a top, we create a navigation, we create a hero image, and we ask hero image to be 100% width with the container. And also we create a content. So after that, we stop there. What we are going to find right now is the content. When you select this, is a highlight with this bluish bar. So I'm going to the CSS designer and find this wrapper content. So I'm not going to ask this to be 100. I'm going to actually put this to be the 58%, okay? Because I want to insert another part here to be hold some sidebar. This one is going to be the 2 columns website. So after I'm done with this, I'm going to the site, check manage site is good, and after this we can do insert another div tag. As we all know, so this one is called the content. So we are going to create another content after the tag of the content. I'm going to call this sidebar. You can call any name you want, but it has to be the ID, not the class. Because as we all know, class is not unique. It can be used multiple times in the HTML website. But ID, you can only use once. And also when you define the ID, it's going to be unique. So when we create a sidebar, we say, okay. Where is the sidebar? Is right, should be underneath here. So you can see this has a content for ID sidebar goes here. So when we click this sidebar underneath here, you can see it's highlighted just this little skinny bar. So I'm coming to my CSS designer. I click this selector and click this add selector button. So notice it's appear wrapper and hash sign sidebar. That means now you can define your sidebar. Oh, there is another way I introduced last week is when you set the sidebar name, at that time you can also, for instance, if you say insert div tag, you can click this new CSS rule. They will bring you up a box. It's the same function as adding the sidebar definition from the selector. All right. So when we have this, I'm going to set this width to be percentage. So I'm going to set 34% for this sidebar. I'm going to use the padding, which is 15 pixel for the left, 10 pixel for the right, 10 pixel for the top, 10 pixel for the bottom. So there is another one I want to do is called border. I want to add a border for this one. So I'm going to add this one is width is 2 pixel, and I'm going to add the style is the solid, and you can use any color you want. I'm going to define a color here, okay? And after this, I'm going to set a background color, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, the 4th tab. So background color, this way I want to just define. We can see the difference. Okay, here. So I set up the little color here. Notice it is here right underneath the content, but I want this to be flowed to the right. What I can do is you go to the layout and all the way go there. You click this right and it's appear to the right. And then this you will see, it could be and then clear goes to the right, and this could be alright. So it's okay to appear here because we are going to add another thing. The copyright right underneath, they will solve the problem. Okay. So I save this. And then I'm going to insert another div tag, and I'm going to say after the tag, going to say after the sidebar, the ID will be the copyright. So I'm going to define this copyright. Click this copyright thing here and click this selector and come here and set the copyright width to 100%. The height will be 36 pixels and the background color dark gray, and the layout will be clear for both. Okay. So save. And for the copyright here, I'm going to set for the insert the character, special character copyright, and let's see, all copyrights reserved 2016. So I'm going to click the CSS designer, and I'm going to the properties and click the CSS. I'm going to set this to the center and highlight this. I'm going to change this text color to white. So notice I'm adding this, the copyright special character and everything here. So I need to add some content on the sidebar. So which is inside the chaplin, some Word documents, click the films. So I'm copying some of the text here. But remember, when you copy from Word document, we always go to click this, and when we say paste, we don't say paste, we say paste special, because I always select the text only. So this way we can control the one. C and paste the special text only. Woman of Paris. Enter. And now I want to modify this because the content I think is a little bit too wide, so I'm going to change this to 50. Okay, maybe a little bit more, 54. And this. So we are going to fix that this thing should be up there, so we are going to fix that later. Live view, design view, and now split view. So now let's adding this, and then we're fixing the layout later. Okay.